Hello everybody, welcome again to my YouTube channel. My name is Trade, and it's another week of traders update. So we are going to analyze together some few pairs, mostly the one that I analyzed on the previous video, and also I'm going to add some to my checklist so that we can analyze together. So let's go to the charts. I'm going to start with DXY on a daily time frame. First of all, I'm going to identify the major level. This is a major level here. We have another major level around here. Also at the bottom here, we have a major level. Inside the major level, so this is a resistance and this is a support. So inside this resistance and support, we also have some minor level. So you can see clearly here, we have a minor level. Also, we have another minor level here. And for my strategy, you can see also it's aligned with, because if the market break this trend line retested, then we are going up. I did not take this trade, but I'm just want to use this as an example. Above here also, we have another minor level. You can see it very clearly. If I use my trend line, break and retest, break around here, retested, then to the top. So just is that an example. Let me show you now what I'm seeing on my recent chart. I've just draw my recent chart because I want my chart to be more cleaner. That's why I only draw these recent charts. So what I'm expecting next, you can see clearly we have another level here. This is a minor level. So I'm expecting to see if I can have some kind of a level at the bottom here, at the top here, or at the also that major level. So I'm expecting two things. I'm expecting to see reaction at this minor level or this major level. Those are the two areas that I'm expecting to see any reaction. So what I'm expecting next is the market to break this trend line. Then if the market break this trend line and close maybe above below this level to show me the change of direction, then I can know that this market has respected this minor level at the top here. So I will just wait for a retracement to my Fibonacci level and go. My first target will be around here. And maybe if the market continue to the downside, I will take the trade to the downside. So that's one of the expectation that I'm waiting to see on DXY. Also, if the market did not respect this area, I will also wait to see what will happen at this major zone around here at the top. So at this major zone also, I will do exactly what I did here. I will just wait to see if the market touch this level, then break this trend line, retested to my fib zone, then I can take that trade to the downside. So those are my expectation on DXY. Also, if the market decided to break both the resistance to the upside and retested here, then I will take this trade for a buy. So those are all what I am expecting on DXY. But now my recent expectation on DXY is to see if the market will respect this minor zone at the top to make it for a sell. that one setup as completed. Now let's go to what I normally waited for a couple of times. This is USD CHF on a daily time frame. You can see very clearly the market break my trend line, do some few resistance here. I would want it to break my trend line first of all. First of all, the market break my trend line, do some few resistance retracement here, but I did not believe this retracement because it's too shallow for me to end a trade. Then the market break to the downside, show me change of direction. Now I like this larger retracement to the upside. Now this is a complete retracement because you can see it has already respected, it has already on my Fibonacci level. If I could use my fib from the top to the bottom, you can see it's in the middle of my fib level, which show me now this can be a good setup for me to enter. Now, I will not just enter immediately because you can see clearly this is a bullish. The market is still bullish. You can see this green candle, it's so strong. So I'm waiting on 4 hour. Let's just go to 4 hour. I'm waiting to see a good reaction on 4 hour. I'm waiting to see a good reaction on 4 hour. Let me draw this way. My first yellow zone disappear. Now, on 4 hour, I'm expecting to see something. I'm expecting to see market retrace around here, break this level, then I will enter this trade below here. Might take profit on my fib level. Might take profit one, I will take around here. Then might take profit two on the bottom. So this is what I'm anticipating. So first thing, I want to see any reaction that will form above here so that I can know the market started respecting the Fibonacci retracement. But if it continued to the upside, then I will wait the market to come and reach this area to my main zone. But for now, I'm keenly waiting to see any reaction happening around here. And if the market could break this trend line, then I will enter for a sell. So I think this is going to happen this week. If the market respected this level, my yellow zone, I think this trade I could take this week. I think this trade I could take this week. So that is all for USD CHF. I'm almost ready to enter my trade on it. I'm expecting any time. If the market just break my counter trend line, then I'm in for it. So let's go to another pair also. And this one is Euro NZD. I analyzed this trade previously, so there is no need of me clarifying it more. You can see we have a triple bottom around here. The market break my trend line. So what I'm waiting the market to retrace to my fib level around here. Then I can take my trade to the top.
So the only thing I need, you can see even the market has shown me the change of direction at this bottom. So the only thing I'm waiting on this particular pair, I'm waiting for this kind of retracement. I'm waiting for this kind of retracement. Then I can take this trade to the top. First of all, I will make sure it's aligned with my fib. Then I will take that trade to the top. But the good thing, the market has break. So let's just wait to see if the market will respect our setup or our setup will be invalidated. Next pair that also I'm expecting to see some change and reaction is NZD USD. Also, okay, I explained everything on this particular pair, and I expected this market to break to the downside and retested, then I can take my trade. So first thing, the market has break. Also, you can see the change of direction. So the only thing also that I'm waiting to see on NZD USD is retracement to my fib level. Then I can take my trade to also to the downside or around where I explained on my previous video. But you can see for sure the market has respected this level. So you can see that this is an important level. You can see now 1, 2, 3, 4. The market respected this level 4 times. Also, market break my trend line. So this is an important level. So let's wait to see if we can have some few retracement. Then we can take the trade to the downside. Another pair also, this is out NZD. This out NZD failed to give me a setup. First of all, if you could have seen very clearly, this is a zone. The market touches this zone 2 times, which make it an important level. Also, the market break my counter trend line and it's retested to my area. And when the market retested to my area in 4 hours, let's see. Now you can see the importance of using counter trend line. If I could enter this trade aggressively, I could have entered this trade around here, which will result that the market may retrace and take me out of the trade. But now the important thing, I drew this counter trend line. On my previous video, you can see very clearly. You can see the market respected this counter trend line. Now, this is the 4th time the market has respected this. So what I could wait to see on this pair, I could wait to see the market break below this red line with the body. Then I could take my trade from here, my first take profit and my second take profit. But now for me, I think this trade is invalidated. So I'm not going to take this trade. So the next thing I'm waiting to see on this trade is I'm going to wait it on a daily to see what reaction. Let me remove this one. Also remove this one. I want to see if this market can come to the top and form a double top. Let me also remove this one. I want to see any reaction that can be formed. So let me just use this line for more clarity. Now, I want to see if the market can retrace to this area so that it can give me a clear double top. Then I drew my trend line, waited the market to break, retest, then I take it to the downside. Now, this is what I'm expecting on. This is what I'm expecting on NZD USD. Out NZD, sorry. And this is the area where I will take my first take profit. So this is what I'm expecting. I'm expecting to take this trade to the downside from the top here. Now let's wait and see what will happen. Let's wait and see what will happen without NZD. So let's go quickly. I don't want to take more of the time. I just want to do this as quickly as possible. This is another pair. This is out CHF. You can see this was a resistance. And here it became a support. Also, it became a second support around here. So what I was waiting, let's go to 4 hour. What I was waiting the market to retrace to my fib level. To retrace to my fib level. Then I could take a buy around this area to the top. That's what I'm expecting. So I'm waiting to see any retracement on out CHF, then I can take a buy from there. On GBP USD, this is what also I am waiting. You can see clearly we have a double top. The market has breaked the trend line. So I'm waiting also to see retracement. Then I can take the trade to the downside. But there's one thing that I'm not sure. I want to see which one is correct and which one is wrong. This is about GBP USD and USD CHF. It cannot move in the same direction because always they move on a different direction. So this GBP USD in me a setup, and also NZD USD is giving USD CHF is giving me a sell setup. So that one I will be more vigilant to see which pair is telling me the truth and which pair that I'm going to enter. But now for all, this is what it's happening, or this is what I'm expecting on a USD, GBP USD. Then another pair also I enter this trade. This is BTC. I did not explain this trade on my previous video because I just come abruptly. Then I took that trade, but I sent this video. I sent the screenshot to my Telegram group of this particular trade and how I enter. First of all, let me analyze how I enter this trade. As you can see clearly, we have a level here, we have a level here, we have a level here, and we have a level here. So in short, this market respected this level 4 times, which show it that that level is an important level. I drew my counter trend line. The market break my counter trend line. As you can see it clearly. After breaking it, it retraced. It do a good retracement to my level. You can see my yellow box around there. Then the market break my counter trend line. I enter this trade around here, and immediately the market moves straight to my take profit. So that's all for BTC. But now let's look if we can have something else again on this particular pair. Let's see if I can have something else. Also, if I can take the trade for the next week. As you can see, overall, this market is bullish. You can see overall, this market is bullish. So if this market did not break to the downside around and break this level, retested and going for a sell, then this is what I will expect. I will draw my counter trend line from the top here to the bottom. That's first thing I will do. The market almost break this level, but you can see it's kind of a rejection. So I cannot call it a breakout. This is not a breakout. I want a proper breakout around here, then retest, then I can take this trade to the downside. If the market give me proper breakout. But if the market did not give me a proper breakout, I will wait for a breakout to the downside, retest it, then I could go for a short. So those are two elements that I'm waiting to see if I can have a good setup on those two. This is the GPP NZD. GPP NZD, I have a scalping or a day trade here. I did not take this one, but I saw it, but I did not take it. I just forgot it. When I was ready to look at it, then I found out that the trade is already played. So I did not take this trade. So now you can see clearly that my setup or my strategy, you can use it both on a higher time frame and also on a lower time frame. So here I used 4 hour as my major time frame. You can see very clearly that we have a level here and we have a level here. So this is a double bottom. The market break my trend line. And after the market break my trend line, if I can use my fib tool and draw my yellow zone, like that one, and then I enter it maybe on 15 minutes because now I used 4 hour as a major level. You can see this trade could have been played very well. If I enter here, the trade could have been played very, very well. So you can also use this strategy on a day trade or even scalping. But that's all because the trade itself has matured, so I could not take that trade. So guys, that's all for today. Thank you for watching my video, and please go and subscribe to my YouTube channel for those who have not subscribed yet. And also you can join my Telegram community. I've just started a Telegram community. So if you want to see some of the trades, I will be putting some of the trades there and we can benefit together. So guys, thank you for watching.